Welcome back to another Business Broker Coach video tutorial. I'm Darren Giles. I often get asked, when is the best time to do my daily and weekly planning? Weekly planning is best done, for me at least, on a Sunday afternoon or Sunday evening, and I just pop aside 15 to 30 minutes, which is ample time to set up your diary for the entire week. You should start out with all of your personal and family commitments. Put yourself and your family in first place. After all, this is why we work so hard in our industry, to love, nurture and care for our families. When you put them first place, they'll feel loved, cherished and supported at times when you're not often around because you're off busy at work. Next, you should put in all of your regular commitments each week, any meetings, sales meetings, seminars, training, etc. Followed by blocking out your prospecting time, which is one of the most highly productive and valuable things you can do in your business. Next, you should allow time for your buyer and seller follow-up, your vendor management, writing your vendor reports, on-site inspections, and anything else that occurs week to week on a regular basis. Daily planning. I get asked all the time, when should I plan my day? First up in the morning or last thing in the evening? My preferred choice is last thing in the evening. This will help you to get a quick start to your day the very next morning. Daily planning shouldn't take any longer than about 10 to 15 minutes when you're scheduling all the important dollar-productive activities and the support work behind these to make sure that you generate the right results and have a truly successful day. Remember to allow about 20% of your day to be flexible for things that will pop up, such as listing opportunities, appraisals, on-site inspections, etc. Otherwise, you'll leave yourself stressed and no time to do the things that are truly important. Remember to implement and execute, and your best days are yet ahead of you. Try these simple planning techniques and I'm sure, just like thousands of other brokers before you, they'll provide you with the leverage and the time that you need to become truly successful at your craft. If we can help in any way, please feel free to get in touch. I'm Darren Giles.